When you search for Nutribullet blenders, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to truly find out which blender fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Nutribullet Pro 900. First up is the Nutribullet Pro 900, priced at $74.95. What caught my attention here is its compact power, boasting 900 watts that turn everything from fruits to greens into delicious smoothies. If you want a blender that makes nutrition easy and fast, this is worth a serious look. The 900 watts mean you won't be left with chunks of fruit in your smoothie. This baby can handle tough ingredients like spinach and frozen berries, delivering smooth results in under a minute. With a 900 ml colossal cup and 2 smaller cups, it's perfect for anyone who's on the go or just wants to whip up a quick breakfast. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, just pop the cups and blades into the dishwasher. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your healthy drinks. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's too small for family servings. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily blending for yourself or a couple of people, that's a non-issue. This is perfect for personal use. This is perfect for you if you're a busy professional looking to maintain a healthy diet without the hassle. Skip this one if you frequently blend for large groups. For the price, it's a solid investment in your health. Now, if the size of the Nutribullet Pro 900 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Meat Juice Replacement Set. Next, we have the Meat Juice Replacement Set, which is priced at $26.09. What caught my eye is its compatibility with both 600W and 900W Nutribullet models, making it a versatile choice for anyone needing extra cups. If you want to expand your blending capacity, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 2 32-oz cups and a premium extractor blade, which means you can easily whip up multiple servings without constantly washing your blender parts. The durable plastic and stainless steel materials are built to last, and they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Here's why this matters for you. Having extra cups means less downtime between blends and more convenience for meal prep or smoothie making. Some buyers mention that the cups are a bit bulky for storage. But honestly, if you're using them frequently, that's a minor inconvenience. Plus, the extra blending capacity can save you time in the long run. This is perfect for you if you already own a Nutribullet and want to make more smoothies without the hassle of cleaning in between. Skip this if you're looking for a standalone blender. For the price, it's a great way to enhance your Nutribullet experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a powerful all-in-one solution. Product number 3, Sanken 1000W Smoothie Blender. Coming in at $49.99, the Sanken 1000W Smoothie Blender caught my attention with its powerful peak motor and budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a robust blender that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 1000W peak motor delivers impressive blending power, allowing you to crush ice and blend frozen fruits with ease. It comes with 3 BPA-free cups and a recipe booklet, so you'll have everything you need to get started on your blending journey. The upgraded 6-leaf blade design is a game changer, offering a smoother blend than the standard 4-leaf options. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're making smoothies, baby food, or nut butters, this blender can handle it all effortlessly. That said, some users noted that it can be a bit loud during operation. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to noise, this might be a deal breaker. But for most, the performance outweighs that inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet powerful blender for everyday use. Skip this if you need a whisper-quiet machine. For the price, it's an excellent value for your kitchen. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next one could be just what you need. Product number 4, Ganaza 900W Blender Combo. Next is the Ganaza 900W Blender Combo, priced at $34.99. This caught my eye because it offers a robust option with multiple containers for different blending needs. If you want a blender that combines power with versatility, this is worth a serious look. With a peak power of 900W and a turbocharged motor, this blender can easily handle dense ingredients. The 15-in-1 feature means you get everything from multiple cups to a grinding cup for coffee or spices. It makes smoothie making a breeze and even allows you to create baby food. Here's why this matters. With multiple functions, you're getting more than just a smoothie maker. You're stepping into a culinary tool that expands your cooking possibilities. However, some buyers have mentioned that it takes a bit longer to blend compared to higher-end models. But if you're not in a rush and want a budget-friendly option, this is still a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you need versatility in your kitchen without spending a fortune. Skip this if you want the absolute quickest blending times. For the price, it's hard to beat the value here. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and capacity for larger servings, the final product has you covered. Product number 5, Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo. Finally, we have the Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo coming in at $89.84. This one really stands out due to its 1200W power and large capacity. If you want a blender that can tackle big batches and diverse recipes, this is worth a serious look. With a 64 Oz pitcher and multiple cup sizes, this blender can handle everything from smoothies to soups and sauces. The 3 precision speeds and pulse function give you full control, making it easy to customize your blends. Plus, the Easy Twist Extractor blade is designed for maximum nutrient extraction, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. Here's why this matters. You can create anything from nut butters to smoothies in one machine, making it a true kitchen workhorse. That said, some users mention that it can take up a bit of counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about blending and cooking, the extra capacity is worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you frequently prepare meals for friends or family. Skip this if you have limited counter space and only need a personal blender. For the power and features it offers, it's a solid investment in your kitchen. So to wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic Nutribullet blenders. The compact Nutribullet Pro 900, the versatile meat juice replacement set, the budget-friendly Sanken 1000W, the multifunctional Ganiza 900W, and the powerful Nutribullet full-size blender combo. Each one has its strengths, so think about what you really need in your kitchen before making a choice.